Hello, welcome to today's video. Today I will be creating HSL bus line 907, which runs from Kirkkonummi railway station and bus station to Veikkola in northern Kirkkonummi. There is one line running this stretch of a road, although on a different route, and that line is constantly very crowded. Now let's see if I can fix this crowdedness. So we begin by creating the line. This one will be fairly long. It will run through uncharted or unbuilt territories, but nevertheless it will start from Kirkkonummi, and then it will stop at Kirkkotalintie, and then it will stop at Gästebynkaari. Then it will stop at Gästebyn polku, and then it will stop at Gästeby. But from Gästeby onwards, everything is new until we reach this area in here. So after Gästeby, the following stop will then be Pulkkuksentie. What the hell? Okay. Let's just see. So Pulkkuksentie Pulkkusväin, which will be located in here. And there we go. Well, that didn't quite turn out as expected because this now changed the direction of the turn. So let's just add another direction to it. Whoops. The speed of the game was quite high this time because I was actually just fixing another traffic error caused by the massive glitch in the traffic in the Helsinki central area. But now I think all glitches have been fixed. After Pulkkuksentie, we're gonna stop at Lekkerikallio, Lekkelberget, After Lekkerikallio, we're gonna stop at Mäyrätie, Greivlingsväin, After Mauratie, we're gonna stop at Ahjotie, Esjeväin, there we go. Oops. And after Ahjotie, we're gonna stop at Sonnimäki. And I think this stop actually already exists. It does. So this is where we will join the existing road network. And then we will continue along it for some time until we once again need to then start building new things. So it wasn't that bad, this new section here. It was actually a fairly short one. Now when you come to think of it. So there we go. And let's build the blueprints. Then let's go to the lines and have a look what will happen after Gästeby. So we're then gonna stop at the new stops, which weren't that many, and then we're gonna stop at Sonnimäki. After Sonnimäki, we're gonna stop at Vanha Myllylammentie, Hummelrödsintie, Veklahti, Morsiusmäki, Svartvik, Pakula, and Kanervatie. Then we're gonna stop at Österpintie, and then at Leppäsuontie, then at Avaranta, at Rauhalantie, at Fribacka, at Oidbacka Skola, but then, no, actually not, there is this one way stop here, and then we're gonna stop at Myllypellantie, and Myllypellonkuja, at Kauhalantie, but that's the terminus of this line, or the previous line, and we would still need to get to, where the hell is Veikkola? Obviously over there, so this distance will need to be covered somehow. Let's see how that will be achieved. So after Kauhalantie, we're gonna stop at Lapinkylän rantatie. Now where was I? Yeah, so Lapinkylän rantatie, Lappöle Strandväin. And how do we find that? Here we go. Okay, oops. This is an interesting glitch too in the game because a build track changes geometry when you add new track to it. Crossings change direction and so on and so on. So that's not a very nice thing. Sorry about that. So there we go, we've reached Lapinkylän rantatie. The following stop will then be Lapinkylä, Lappaböle. And there we go. After Lapinkylä, we will then stop at Rajontie. Rajoväin. After Rajontie, we're gonna stop at Engsdal. The following stop is at Forsdal. Sorry about that. Then we stop at Hellapolku. Spistikin. Oops. After Hellapolku, we're gonna stop at Tampajantie. Tampajaväin. After Tampajantie, we're gonna stop at Haapajärvi. That's just Haapajärvi. Okay. There we go. After Haapajärvi, we're then gonna stop at the Navala. Which is over here. There we go. And after Navala, the following stop is actually already at Veikkola. And so we've reached Veikkola. Because there is a turning point in this crossing, I will then actually create sort of, how would you call it, semi-roundabout in here. And then let's see if we have to turn from this lane to this lane, if there will be any problems. Why is that thing black over there? Well, let's build the blueprints. I still wonder what the hell that is though, but yeah. Then let's see what will happen next. Let's just add all of these new stops here. And then we will, whoopsie daisy. We will stop at Veikkola. And then what will happen? Okay, so the classic Impivaaran tie, Paasitie, Välipuron tie, Kulotie, Vuoritie, Palopolku, Puronsuun tie, Lamminpään tie, and Veikkola. And then let's see how it does look the other way around. Well, the funny thing is that it will do the absolutely same around again. So once it stops here in Veikkola, it will just loop and then it will go this entire route again. But as this is a non-stop run, I think I will just be able to go it once. So there we go. There we go. Let's have a look at the timetable. Well, 45 minutes is the shortest interval there is, so I think some buying trains will need to be conducted. Yeah, and more specifically, I think I will need 3 buses in order to successfully run it. That's it, there we go. So, sorry about that. Roads have been built, a line has been created, buses have been bought, and everything's up and running. There'll be a new video tomorrow, so until then, bye!